All right, guys, so this video is a video on how to purchase coins through SushiSwap. SushiSwap is a DEX that typically gives you access to coins that may otherwise not be found on traditional larger centralized exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance. Many new coins, before they can get listed on these major exchanges, will be listed on DEXs or decentralized exchanges like SushiSwap or Uniswap. So this is a video tutorial on how to connect a MetaMask wallet, which is the leading wallet to be used with this type of DEX, to SushiSwap and exchange one coin for another. So we're going to start off by going to metamask.io, and this is going to allow you to download the browser extension for MetaMask, which is a software wallet, a software ERC-20 wallet that can store and hold ERC-20 tokens for you directly through your web browser. So go ahead and download that. Once you have MetaMask downloaded, you will have a little tab here that'll allow you to open your MetaMask wallet as such, and this is what it's going to look like. By default, it's going to be on the Ethereum mainnet, which is right up here. You can switch between networks. We won't get into that right now. You won't need to. By default, it'll be on the Ethereum mainnet, which is what you'll be using. You'll have your account information here, and then you'll have your assets and your transaction activity right below it. This current account obviously has 0 Ethereum in it. And just for test purposes, I've created it. So we're going to go ahead and now go to SushiSwap. So SushiSwap can be found by going to sushi.com. That's going to take you to the website. You're going to go ahead and hit Enter App. And this is what the interface looks like. So what you're seeing here is you're seeing the ability to swap from one token to another. Typically, we're going to be swapping Ethereum into some other token that we're trying to get. The first step that you're going to do is you're going to connect to a wallet. Up here in the top right corner, you're going to hit Connect to a Wallet. That is going to bring up this right here. It's going to allow you to select which wallet you currently have to connect to. It is compatible with various wallets. I have used a few of these before, but preference is definitely MetaMask. We're going to go ahead and hit MetaMask. And if you already have the MetaMask extension downloaded and you're downloaded on Google Chrome, this is going to pop up. It's going to ask you to connect your wallet with MetaMask. This is the same wallet that I just showed you guys a minute ago. It's already selected. If you have multiple wallets open in your MetaMask, they're all going to show up here, and you can choose which ones you want to connect with SushiSwap. So we're going to go ahead and connect this account with SushiSwap. We're going to hit Connect. And at this stage, the wallet is now connected with SushiSwap. We can see the wallet address here. Just make sure that it matches the wallet that you have in your MetaMask extension. The wallet is now connected, and now it will actually allow you to swap from Ethereum to another coin. The idea being that you will send Ethereum from any centralized exchange, let's say Coinbase or Binance. You'll purchase Ethereum at any of those exchanges, or maybe you have some Ethereum sitting on another wallet, or maybe you have some Ethereum cold storage. You'll send that Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet using this address as the receiving address. You can copy the address by clicking on it and then paste it into your Coinbase or your Binance or wherever your Ethereum is located to send Ethereum over to your MetaMask wallet here. Once you've sent the Ethereum over, it'll appear right here. It'll show you the balance of your Ethereum and the total dollar value of the Ethereum. And then you will be able to select the Ethereum here. Right now the balance is 0 Ethereum, but once you deposit some Ethereum, the balance will be higher. And you can select how much of that Ethereum you want to convert to a coin of your choice. Down here, this is where you select the token of your choice that you want to convert to. In this particular example, we're going to be trying to convert Ethereum into Convex Finance. CVX is the token ticker, and that is a token that we want to buy or to convert into. So we're going to click Select a Token here. You can search for the token right here, and I'm going to search for Convex, and you can see that Convex token, CVX, has popped up. We're going to click on Convex token, and now we can see that we're swapping from Ethereum to Convex token. If you're searching for a token that is not here for some reason, so let's search for a token called JigStack. JigStack is here, but it's not there by default. You have to click the import button, and then that'll bring JigStack into SushiSwap here, and now you can swap through that as well. So just keep that in mind. We're going to go back to Convex right here. And so now it's showing you that for 5.2 Ethereum, you can get 1,548 Convex at the current exchange rate. That's a value of $17,000. So you're swapping out $17,800 of Ethereum for $17,736.9 of Convex minus some slippage of potentially 0.35%. At an exchange rate of one Convex coin for 0.003359 Ethereum. So all that information is there for you. At the moment, it says insufficient Ethereum balance because I don't have any Ethereum in the wallet. But if I did have Ethereum in the wallet, you'd be able to click right here to approve the swap. When you click on approve the swap, it's going to pop up your MetaMask browser or your MetaMask extension once again. It's going to ask you to approve the transaction. It's going to cost some gas fees in Ethereum. You're going to hit approve, and then it's going to take a few seconds, maybe a couple of minutes to approve that transaction, and then it's going to ask you to click again to swap. And once you click again to swap, it's going to again ask you to pay a gas fee to do this through your MetaMask browser. You're going to accept the gas fee, and then it's going to go ahead and swap the tokens for you. At the end of this process, okay, at the end of this process, you will no longer, your 5.2 Ethereum will vanish from your MetaMask wallet, and your MetaMask wallet will no longer show 5.2 Ethereum, it'll show 0 Ethereum, and down here it'll show 1,548.42 CVX. Another important note, if you don't have that token already displayed here, you can see I have Ocean, Ray, Sushi, and Lpool displayed here. If you don't have CVX already displayed, when you make the swap, it should pop up and ask you if you want to add CVX to your MetaMask wallet. If you go ahead and hit yes, CVX will then pop up here as well. If for whatever reason it doesn't ask you that, you can add CVX manually by clicking add token, and you can search for tokens here. You can see that Convex token is not already by default in MetaMask browser. You'll have to click on custom token, and it'll ask you for the token contact address. You can find this on CoinGecko. So we're going to go to coingecko.com. We're going to go to Convex Finance. We're going to copy the contract address right here, or we can directly click Add to MetaMask. Once we click on Add to MetaMask, it's going to pop up through our browser extension. And it's going to ask you now, do you want to add these tokens? We're going to hit Add Token. And now when we go back to our MetaMask wallet, we can see that Convex has now been added to our MetaMask wallet. So when you do the swap again, it's going to ask you to do this automatically on SushiSwap. It's a pretty nice feature. It just pops up and says, hey, do you want to add this to MetaMask? But for whatever reason, if it doesn't, you're going to go to coingecko.com. You're going to find your token. You're going to go to the contract, and you can either copy it and then paste it. You can either copy it and then paste it down here where it says custom token, and it'll pull it up. But in this case, it's already been added because we went ahead and just clicked the little button here to make it very easy. So that's how you'll add the token in there. Now that we've gotten Convex added to our MetaMask wallet and we've swapped, you will now see your Convex appear in your MetaMask wallet. Okay. A couple of notes. That's pretty much it, guys. A couple of notes, important things that you want to keep in mind when doing this process. You need Ethereum to be used as a gas fee when you're swapping. Okay, so what that means is if I have exactly 5 Ethereum in my MetaMask wallet and I try to swap 5 Ethereum for CVX, it's not going to work. Because if I try to swap 5 Ethereum, that means that I need a little bit of additional gas to make the swap happen. And because I only have 5 Ethereum, it's not going to let me swap. So I'm going to have to go with something like 4.8, 4.9, 4.5, whatever it may be, slightly less than the total amount that you have in your wallet, so that you have some Ethereum left to provide for the gas fee that it's going to take to make this transaction go through. Over here, it shows you the gas cost. The higher this number is at the time, the higher the gas cost is going to be. Right now at 40, it's quite low. Typically, I'll see it somewhere in the hundreds when the network is quite busy. And the lower this number is, the lower it's going to cost you in terms of gas to make the transaction go through. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Once you have your CVX in your MetaMask wallet, you can then move it around how you please by hitting the send buttons. If you hit send, you can send any of these tokens anywhere else. Again, currently CVX is not listed on any major exchanges, so this is probably going to be where you're going to store it. But you can move it around just like you would any other coin. You can also swap directly through MetaMask, and you can also buy Ethereum directly through MetaMask with your credit card or debit card as well. But guys, that was it for this tutorial on using SushiSwap. The tutorial works exactly the same way for any other coins aside from CVX. Again, these are all going to be ERC-20 tokens that we're talking about on SushiSwap that we're using with MetaMask, okay? If you guys have any other questions about this video, as always, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys enjoyed the video and you'd like more tutorials like this, please like, share, and subscribe. It keeps me making the videos when I know what my viewers want. All right, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys.